Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to begin creating content with our WordPress site. Now in order to do that, one of the first things you're going to do is you're going to go to the posting area. Once you're in the posting area, you are then going to click the Add New button. And there are a couple of things that you'll want to know about creating posts. Posts are the most common way of creating content in a WordPress site. And you are going to want to have your post organized by some kind of category. Now, whenever you're in the posting area, WordPress will start out with an uncategorized area, but you can actually add a specific category to the post that you are writing. And all posts are going to be organized by category unless you decide to leave it uncategorized and to a general area. The other thing that you're going to be able to do with your post is you're going to be able to create tags. Now, tags are ways that search engines and other people can go to your site and find information that your post is going to be about. For example, you might have hundreds of posts on your site, but if you have tags on that post, then people will be able to go to your site, put the tag into the search area, and then find all of the posts that are going to be about that particular subject. And so posting is a very good way of using your WordPress site in order to distribute content. Now, in order to create a post, what you're going to do is you are going to use the WYSIWYG editor, and you can actually write in your post just as if you were writing into a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document. I'm actually going to stop the recording right now, and I'm going to put some text in here. Now you're going to notice that there's now text in the WYSIWYG editor. And so one of the things that we are going to want to do is we're going to want to edit it so that it appears the way we want it to appear. This will be one of the things that you're going to be able to do to make your content appear the way you want to. Now, the other thing that you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to add images to your post. And the way that you do that is that you are going to put the cursor where you actually want the image. You're going to click the Add Media button. And then you're going to either go into your media library or choose one from your hard drive. In this particular case, you can go to your media library because we already have some information there. We're going to select an image, and then we're going to insert it into our post. Now, one of the things that you'll want to do when you insert into a post is you're going to want to consider the size. And you're always going to have a couple of different options when you want to post your image. Now, a thumbnail size image is going to be very small. A medium size image is going to take up about half of your page. A large image is going to take up about 2/3 of your page, and a full size will take up the entire width of the page. So since we're just putting in an image that we want to take up part of the page, we're going to go ahead and just put a thumbnail image in, and we're going to click Insert into Post. Now with the WYSIWYG editor, what you're going to notice is that it's actually going to show the way it's going to be when a visitor actually sees it. Once we have text like this, we can actually go in and edit the image. We can actually add it so that our image is going to be the way we want it. And so we can click Align Left, and our text will come alongside of our image. Now, one of the other things that we can do inside of our post is that we can hyperlink to other places. And of course, it works the very same way as it would in any word processing software or any website. All we would do is copy the text or highlight the text, and then we click Insert Link. And the link that we're going to insert will be hyperlinked to this information. So we would put our URL in there. And then click Apply. And we would have our hyperlink, as you can see. Of course, one of the other things that we can do in our post, as we would with any text-based information, we can bold information, we can italicize, we can strike through. Okay, so once you actually have some of the information in there the way that you want, what you do is, as we said, we're going to pick a category. And we're going to add that new category. And then we're going to make this post about that category. We're going to write in some tags. And once we've done that, then we've only got one other thing that we want to do. And now one of the other things that WordPress will allow you to do is to set a featured image. And this image is going to show when you share your post on social media sites like Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. And so you will just go and get a featured image. You get the very same one that you had before. I'm going to click set a featured image. And then when your post shows up, this image is going to show up representing that post. Now, once we actually have the information the way that we want, we would then click the Publish button. And once we do that, we'd go and visit our post. And we can see how the post is actually going to look. We can then write in here what we think the post is about. And then we're going to click Update. Okay, and once again, we have our updated information. Now, there are several items across the toolbar that you'll be able to use. One of the things that you can actually do is you can actually toggle this toolbar down, and you'll actually be able to see more options that you have available. For example, if you wanted to underline text, you can do it. If you wanted to change the color of the text, you could do that. If you wanted to change that text back, you can do that, or change to another color. And so all these options are going to be available to you. The other thing that you can actually do is to change the formatting of the text by using these options. You'll see them there, some of the larger headings. Or you can just leave it as paragraph, and this will retain the formatting that came with your theme. So once you've completed all the information, you want to update, and you want to always look and view the post so that you can see exactly what your post is going to look like when you are actually visiting from a website. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to write our title back in here. We're going to click Update, and then we are ready to go with our post. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.